Brand REDTIGER model, name F7NP, front and rear camera. Vehicle service, type minivan, bus car, truck connectivity technology, Wi-Fi special feature, built-in GPS, night vision, parking monitor, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in supercapacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, app control, compact design, internal memory, G-sensor, loop recording, built-in GPS, night vision, parking monitor, built-in display, built-in GPS, built-in supercapacitor, built-in Wi-Fi, app control, compact design, internal memory, G-sensor, loop recording. See more 4K plus 1080p dual recording. REDTIGER brings to you F7NP dual dash cam, which records video of up to 4K 3840 by 2160p, Ultra HD plus 1080p FHD resolutions. It helps you to read the details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degrees and rear wide angle of 140 degrees. This helps you during unexpected circumstances, like collision, to retain and present evidence. Remarkable night vision. The REDTIGER driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low-light conditions. Wi-Fi Smart App Control. You just need to connect the REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage the Dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit videos in the app. By just one click, you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. GPS-enabled Dashcam. REDTIGER Dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the REDTIGER app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Reliable features for accident recording. Even when the memory card is full, the REDTIGER dash camera will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G-sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision videos. It also has a 24 hours parking monitor available on the dash cam to record continuously for 24 hours, with time-lapse function at parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. Super after sales. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. REDTIGER Dashcam is backed by full 18-month assurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Email our customer service, and we will answer any of your questions or concerns. We offer 7 by 24 hours technical support.